Hello kids, let's start with our EVS 1 subject lesson number 6, rules for everyone. Now, we follow traffic rules so that traffic moves smoothly. In the same way, there are rules of social life that tell us what each person should be doing. Rules need to be made to specify each person's duties and responsibilities. If we follow the rules, our day-to-day life becomes disciplined. We can work more efficiently. Rules are meant for everybody. Then apply equally to all. No one is above the rules. Disobeying the rules leads to punishment. There is no discrimination in punishments for breaking the rules. In this way, equality is the basis of rules. Changes in rules for the society. Our society works according to certain rules. We make the rules ourselves. We follow these rules because they are meant for the common good. Proper changes are also introduced in rules made for a society. There is a difference between the rules of society and the law of nature. Natural occurrences follow laws of nature. We cannot change the laws of nature. The rising and setting of the sun and the change in the seasons never stop. The law of gravity does not change. The rising and falling of the tides, the phases of the moon, all of these things occur according to the laws of nature. Nature's laws are constant and fixed. They do not ever become outdated. However, human laws need to be changed with changing conditions. The laws followed in India under the rule of the British were different. When India gained independence, the situation changed and the laws of civic life changed accordingly. For example, after independence, the voting age was 21 years. After 1988, the voting age was lowered to 18 years. Now, we will see, don't girls need as nourishing a diet as is given to boys? At home, they feel only my brother needs good food. We follow many customs and traditions in our lives. We follow those traditions by observing our mother, father, grandparents, and other relatives. There are several good customs and traditions in our society. We celebrate festivals together. We welcome guests who visit us and are hospitable to them. Many of our customs enable us to maintain the balance of nature. We express our love and gratitude towards animals. The values of non-violence and peace have been a part of our social life since ancient times. Even so, there are some traditions and customs that are not desirable. They are not beneficial for our society, for example, caste distinction. Because of this, a divide has been created in society. It has given rise to inequality. Untouchability was an inhuman and unjust custom. The Constitution of Independent India abolished the custom of untouchability. Many times, laws have to be made to abolish unjust customs. In our country, customs such as sati and child marriage were abolished by making laws that banned them. The law that banned the use of magic for cheating people was first enacted in Maharashtra. Receiving a dowry have been banned by law. Wrong customs and traditions cause the neglect of some sections of society. They have no access to education, therefore, they do not get opportunities of development. They have no mean of livelihood, therefore, they have to face poverty. Poverty and lack of education are the two big obstacles in our society. We can only make progress together if we get rid of these obstacles. Protecting our environment. Just as laws are necessary to maintain equality and justice in society, laws are also required for the protection of the environment. We are dependent on nature in many ways. Most of our needs are fulfilled by nature. Natural resources should be available in enough quantities for the needs of our future generations. Therefore, we must conserve these natural resources. We must use them carefully.